So I had a course and I was struggling with making it compliant with Facebook because they're always changing all of the rules and everything for making things compliant. And I was having problems with the ads not getting approved. And it was so frustrating. It was ridiculous. I was going insane. So what I did, I knew about the sold out courses and I was like, all right, I'm just going to give it a go. It was the best decision that I ever made. And I'll tell you why. There's a few reasons why this was the best decision. In less than 24 hours, after Dan looked over my landing page and made it compliant with Facebook, not only did it convert better, but the other tweaks that I implemented in the program made it also convert better. So in only a couple weeks, I already got my investment plus some, okay? So when I went inside the program, completely over-delivered. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm getting $100,000 education. Now, talk about over-delivery. This program, Sold Out Courses, is the best example of over-delivering. And it has also not only transformed the way I think about doing my course, it's transformed the way I think about how I should be doing business with my own customers and my own students. Because now I see that this is the way to structure an online course, because you feel like you're not alone. You feel like you have someone there to help you when something goes wrong or you need some guidance. And that feeling is actually a priceless feeling that you get with sold out courses. So if you're on the fence about this program, I'm telling you right now, this is the best program you could possibly get for creating an online course. I've done some investments in my life, and I think this is up there one of the best investments I've ever done in my entire life, and I truly mean that. And I tell my wife that all the time. I'm like, this was an amazing investment. So that is what I wanted to tell you about, and that is my story on Sold Out Courses.